welcome back to my channel.
In this video, I would to explain about English lesson for 10th grade junior high school, especially for capture in English textbook, talking about self. Let's going on to comprehension question first. Answer the following question briefly. Number 1. How does Hannah contact Alia? Is there anybody introducing Hannah to Alia? And the answer, Hannah contact Alia via email. Yes, there is. There is Caroline introduced Hannah to Alia. Question 2. Does Hannah want to be Alia's friend? Yes, she does. Number 3. Where does Hannah study? Hannah study in Thomas Edison High School in Minneapolis, Minnesota, USA. Next, number 4. Tell me about Hannah's family. She has 2 brothers and 2 half-sisters and is the middle child. Her father died a few days ago, and her mother runs the house and the family business, and her father was a barista. Number 5. What are Hannah's hobbies? Her hobbies are music and sport. Number 6. Does she like animals? What animals does she have? Yes, she likes animals and she has 3 dogs. Number 7. What profession would she like to have after graduating from her school? She wants to become a park ranger and perhaps work for the National Park Service. Number 8. Have you ever written an email to a pen pal? When? Yes, I have ever written an email to a pen pal when I was in junior high school. Next to comprehension question second. Number 1. Does Saida want to be Alia's friend? Yes, she does. Number 2. Where is she from? She's from Johor Bahru in Malaysia. Number 3. Where does Saida study? Saida study in Islamic boarding school, Johor Bahru. Next, number 4. Tell me about Saida's family. Her family live in Kuala Lumpur, and her elder sister is a medical doctor, and her younger brother is an elementary school student. Number 5. What are Saida's hobbies? Saida's hobbies are songs and music. Number 6. Does she have favorite singers? If yes, who are they? Yes, she does. Her favorite singers are One Direction and Siti Nurhaliza. Number 7. Does she like reading books? Which authors does she like? Yes, she like. And her favorite authors are J.K. Rowling from England, and Andrea Hirata and Ahmad Fuadi from Indonesia. Number 8. What professions would she like to have later? She wants to be a writer of science fiction books. Number 9. Is she interested in visiting Indonesia? How does she know Indonesia? Yes, she is. She is interested visiting Indonesia and want to come Magnificent Raja Ampat in Papua. And number 10. Have you ever written a letter to get a pen pal? When? Yes, I have ever written a letter to get a pen pal when I was in junior high school.
Sebelum dilanjutkan, subscribe dulu ya.
Next to vocabulary exercises, complete the following sentences using the words in the box. Remember to use the correct forms of verbs. Jadi di bagian ini untuk melengkapi kalimat dengan jawaban yang sudah disediakan di dalam kotak. Number 1. Saida has many favorite writers and books. She frequently saves her pocket money to buy bestseller books. She is really into reading. Number 2. In the next letter to Caroline, Alia wrote, I like scuba diving, so if someday you visit Indonesia, I will take you to go scuba diving in Bunaken National Marine Park. The place is amazingly beautiful. Doesn't that sound cool? Untuk penjelasan nomor 1, Saidah punya banyak penulis dan buku kesukaan atau favorit. Nah, dia secara rutin menabung untuk membeli buku bestseller. Dia sangat membaca. Nah, di sini jawabannya she is really into reading. Artinya dia benar-benar sangat menyukai membaca. Sebelum menggunakan kata into, di situ harus sebelumnya menggunakan to be dulu. Nah, di sini karena subjeknya she, berarti to be-nya is. She is really into reading. Ke nomor 2, di surat berikutnya kepada Caroline, Alia menulis, Alia suka menyelam. Jadi satu hari Caroline berkunjung ke Indonesia, Alia akan mengajaknya menyelam di Taman Nasional Marine Bunaken, tempat yang amazing, beautiful, tempat yang indah, tempat yang keren. Doesn't that bla 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 cool? Di situ jawabannya doesn't that sound cool, yang artinya bukankah nampak keren? Next, number 3. Hannah and her brothers learn how to manage their store every day. Later, they want to run their own business. Number 4. In her letter, Alia often introduces the beauty of Indonesia to her e-pal. In her emails, she describes many magnificent culture events and amazing nature that can only be found in Indonesia. Number 5. Alia in her letter wrote that her mother tongue is Batakis, but she can also speak other language like Madurese, Indonesian, and English. Penjelasan untuk nomor 3, Hana dan saudara-saudaranya belajar bagaimana mengatur toko mereka setiap hari. Nah, kemudian mereka ingin mengelola atau menjalankan bisnis mereka itu. Nah, jadi di situ learn they want to run di situ artinya mengelola. Nomor 4, in her letter, di suratnya Alia sering mengenalkan keindahan Indonesia kepada her bla 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 email, karena di sini di kalimat berikutnya in her emails berarti kepada teman di internet. Nah, dan persamaannya adalah email. Dia menerangkan banyak event budaya yang bagus sekali dan juga kondisi alam yang mengagumkan yang bisa ditemukan di Indonesia. Nomor 5, Alia di dalam suratnya menulis bahwa di sini titik-titik bahasa Batak ya, maksudnya di sini berarti bahasa ibunya adalah bahasa Batak, mother tongue. Selain itu juga bisa berbicara bahasa lain seperti Madura, Indonesia, dan Inggris. Next, number 6. Unlike Saida who is into books, Hannah is more into animals. She has 3 dogs that need a lot of attention. Number 7. Alia, Hannah, and Saida become good friends. They hope someday they can attend a traditional or modern music concert together. Number 8. Hannah told Alia that she was very happy when she got a half sister, a baby girl from her mother's second marriage. Nomor 6 itu maksudnya tidak seperti Saidah yang menyukai buku. Hannah, nah disitu ya penulisannya bukan Hannah, kan harusnya tubinya is. Hannah lebih suka ke binatang dan dia punya 3 guguk yang membutuhkan banyak perhatian. Nomor 7. Alia, Hannah, dan Saidah menjadi teman yang baik. Mereka berharap suatu saat hari nanti mereka bisa attend di situ ya, mengikuti konser tradisional atau modern musik bersama-sama. Nomor 8. Hannah berbincang kepada Alia bahwa dia sangat senang ketika dia mendapatkan saudara tiri, half sister, a baby girl from, jadi bayi dari ibu keduanya atau ibu tirinya. Next, number 9, Alia has many e-pal, those with whom she makes friends by writing them emails. They live in other countries, so she never meets them. Number 10, Alia likes to try speaking English with her classmates, but just like Saida, she also sometimes slip back into Indonesian. Nomor 9, Alia mempunyai banyak titik-titik. Nah, di situ e-pal ya, teman-teman di internet. Dan 10, Alia suka mencoba untuk berbicara bahasa Inggris dengan teman sekelasnya, tetapi sama seperti Saida, dia juga kadang kembali menggunakan bahasa Indonesia. Next to exercise on page 14. For part A, subjective pronoun. Number 1, me or I come to Yogyakarta every month. Ini jelas ya jawabannya yang I come. Bisa dilihat di dalam tabel ketika kelompok subjek itu adalah I, you, he, she, we, they, it. Jadi yang pertama I. Number 2, he or his or he ya, he spent the weekend playing guitar. Number 3, they taught me that they send email to each other every day. Number 4, we plan to visit Thailand next year. Number 5, we or it can climb Bromo. We can climb Bromo mountain together on July. Next to part B, objective pronoun. Number 1, before answer please look at the box. Jadi bisa dilihat untuk bagian objek me, you, him, her, us, them, it. Berarti jawabannya di antara yang itu ya. Number 1, I'm going to introduce her to one of my pen pals in Malaysia. Number 2, Lolita told me that she want to send a birthday gift to her pen pal in Papua. Number 3, my friends and I have regular meetings with pen pal seeker group. You can join it. It nggak pakai s. You can join it anytime. Number 4, he told me that he had many e-pals, but he is no longer keep in touch with them. Number 5, it is obvious that Marina desperately wants to visit Malang very soon. She talked about it, karena depannya it ya, it frequently these days. Next, into possessive adjectives. Nah, for part C sama juga, lihat di kotak bagian possessive adjective untuk mengisi bagiannya ya. Number 1, I'm going to wash my hand. No, me, not me. Do you like your pen pals? Number 3, his hobby. No, his hobby is reading the biography of famous people. Number 4, she is 16 and her school is in Minneapolis. Number 5, they run their family business themselves because their father died last year. No, they. Okay, cukup, enough. Next to part D. Number 1, he is very diligent and loves reading. He always brings book in his bag. Number 2, mine little brother studies in a state vocational school in my region. Number 3, Alice told her pen pal that she admired J.K. Rowling and collected his novels. Number 4, my pen pals have the same interest with me, which is about writing. We sometimes send our piece of writings and I often give comments on it. Number 5, he taught me about his family and I taught mine too, not mine too. Next to part E, mixed pronouns and possessive adjective. Number 1, Sophia taught me, not I, me, that you would like to have more pen pals from Netherlands. Number 2, I have several pen pals from UK. I write to them. Now I write to them via email every week. Number 3, Alia often tells Hannah about her rehearsal. She joins a choir club in her school. Number 4, as for hobbies, we are really into sport and music, so we can share our, karena we maka possessifnya our experience about football players and songs. Number 5, my friends and I often spend long holiday in our hometowns. We, not they, we, karena my friend and I, aku dan temanku jadi kami. We keep in touch via email and WhatsApp. Number 6, the Catholics eat first many times and it seemed to enjoy doing it. Number 7, Hannah said, this is my favorite book and I want to give it to you. Now it's yours. Number 8, Alia was sobbing when she read this line in the novel she got from Saida. They know the land is not theirs anymore. The landlord told them to leave the land. The two brothers said to themselves, we will work very hard to collect money. Someday we will return to buy his land and it will become ours forever. Number 9, the teacher tells us to make friends with students from English-speaking countries so that we can improve our English. Number 10, Alia's brother wants to have pen pals too. Alia introduced him to Hannah's and Saida's brothers. Now they have become good friends. Sometimes Alia writes about them in her letter to Hannah and Saida.